Anthos as a hybrid cloud platform offers some unique opportunities for companies like Nerdery. I think in reality, every enterprise is already hybrid cloud, whether they realize it or not. Companies are not using just one SaaS provider. Companies are not using just one hosting provider. They're diversifying those suppliers based on their needs and what those applications are doing for them. Where I think that the Google announcement might give people a couple additional tools in the toolbox is the ability to write to one platform and then deploy those applications in multiple places. Where Anthos changes the game a little bit, in my opinion, is that it removes some of the complexity and early decision-making from what cloud provider to settle on to focusing more on the business logic and the business outcomes of the application. And by using a container-based approach, you worry less about where the ultimate disposition of the application is going to be and more about what the application is going to do for your business and for your customers.